Hello, welcome to my channel. The question here says alcohol of mass 21 gram and density 0.7 gram per centimeter cube is mixed with 10 gram of water. Determine the density of the mixture. And we're giving density of water as 1.0 gram per centimeter cube. Now, for us to start with this, let's remember the formula for density. So I can say density, which is given by rho, is equal to mass all over volume. So this is the formula for density. Density, I'm representing with this symbol rho, this Greek letter rho, is equal to the mass of the substance divided by the volume. So taking the density of alcohol now as 0.7, so we say 0.7 is equal to the mass of the alcohol, which is 21, all divided by the volume of alcohol. And then if we cross multiply and make V the subject of the formula, we're going to get 0.7 V. If I cross multiply now, 0.7 V is equals to 21. This is like 0.7 over 1. So 0.7 multiplies V, it gives us 0.7 V. And 21 multiplies over 1 here. 21 multiply 1 will give us 21. So to get the value of V, we divide both sides by 0.7. So I divide this by 0.7. This 0.7 will cancel 0.7 and I'll be left with V. So that will give me the volume of the alcohol as 21 divided by 0.7 is 30. So the volume of the alcohol is 30 centimeter cube. Now that we have the volume of alcohol, we can also go ahead and find the volume of water. Don't forget, we are told that it is mixed with 10 gram of water. And the density of water is 1. So we can now come back to this formula that density is mass over volume. So the density for water now, this is volume for alcohol. Let me use A. So the density for water now, that's density for water, is equal to the mass of the water over the volume of water. We're not dealing with water now. So the density of water is 1 as given to us in the question. The mass of the water is 10 gram. The mass of the water is 10 gram. And the volume of water, we're also looking for the volume of the water. So by the time we cross multiply, we have 1 multiplied by V. And that will give us V is equal to 10 multiplied by, this is like over 1. 10 multiplied by 1 will also give us 10. So that means the volume of the water is 10 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the water. Now, let's go back to the mixture. So now I'm going to the mixture now of the water and the alcohol. Now, total mass of the mixture will be equal to, from the question we are told that it is 21 gram of alcohol mixed with 10 gram of water. So the total mass of the mixture is 21 plus 10, which is 31 gram. So I'll say total mass is equal to 21 plus 10, which is 31 gram. Then let's also go to, excuse me, let's also go to total volume. The total volume of the mixture now. Don't forget, we know the volume of alcohol. The volume of alcohol that we obtained is 30 centimeter cube. And the volume of water, I can simply write V of water here. The volume of water is 10 centimeter cube. So the total volume will be 30. The total volume will be 30 for the alcohol plus 10 for water. And that will give us 40 centimeter cube. So now, for the mixture, we know the full mass of the mixture as 31 gram. and the complete volume of the mixture as 40 centimeter cube. So we can now go ahead and say the density of the mixture now, I'll write M, density of the mixture is equal to the mass of the mixture all over the volume of the mixture. So we can now substitute values now. So the mass of the mixture, we already have it as 31 gram. All over the volume of the mixture is 40. So we can now obtain the density of the mixture. So I'll say density of the mixture is equal to 31 divided by 40 will give us 0.775, and the unit of the density is gram per centimeter cube. So this is the density of the mixture. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that others can learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.